Good afternoon to everyone. Eish, asikhulume podcast today we're at Zombas.
Yeah.
Kanyamazane, Gababe and Mtunywa.
Yeah, Papa
Yeah,
Inc.
Papa and Mtunywa. Today we're podcasting live here at Zombas. We need to try our level best as Asikhulume podcast. We need to try to accommodate everyone by speaking English because without English we're nothing. Everything is running by this language English.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm with my brother. Hey, every time me and him we need to meet and shoot a podcast. Hey, I
It's
don't
a
know what
problem, dog.
I don't know
It's
what
a problem, dog.
I don't know what's happening, but hey, everything happens for a reason.
Yeah, there's always a time thing that glitches. Yabona?
Yeah, and hey, maybe it's for the good or it's for the best or for the bad. We don't know.
Yeah, but
But everything happens for a reason. That's what you do.
yeah,
But
100%.
Pere, how are you, my brother? It's been long.
Nah, to me, hey, to me, I'm nice, dog. I'm okay, dog.
Yeah,
Yabona?
yeah.
We're trying to push this thing called life.
Yes.
There's obviously it's been a minute, Donna. Hey, it's been a minute since you and I had a chat.
Hey, dog.
Hey,
Ever
it's been
since that day, Black
shit.
Queen, and we shoot an episode, and
And
that
we-
episode will never drop it.
Yeah, well.
Something happened to that episode. I think it's the
Maybe-
thing that it's the thing what we talk on that episode on that.
Yeah, maybe claim a bomb. Yeah, maybe there's bomb somewhere on the episode
Yeah,
there.
I think that something happened from that episode. So
Yeah, no matter no, we're
Yeah,
back, Fit.
yeah,
We're back. Let's try to push as much as possible.
I think if we wanna take ourselves serious, if we're gonna take this thing, this YouTube channel, would say it's our daily basic job. I think we're gonna make it. Maybe we just do for the sake of doing.
For the
it.
sake
That-
of for the
that-
sake of podcasting,
Ah,
for the sake
and
of
that's the
podcasting.
And it's
Mara,
been
mara, mara,
2 months, if I'm not mistaken.
mara, tell me, dog. Tell me this. How does it feel, ne, to be a podcaster?
Yeah, it feels good, but you know what's the problem?
Uh,
People, if they like you're making a podcast with a phone, they don't take you serious. You know?
Mara-
Some other people they say you need to buy them alcohol, food, and stuff, pay transport for them. But so that's the
Mara-
problem.
mara-
But that's a
mara-
good thing to do.
yeah. Obviously, as black people, we're taught in black families, Gucci. When someone comes to your house, the way to welcome them is by giving them food, yabona, yeah, all these things. So I guess, mara kancane kancane, we're trying. We're gonna try our best.
I
Now, if you wanna come and join us,
Yeah, you're gonna be part of.
and you wanna be part of this thing,
Yeah.
you can come.
Whatever
Let's chill.
skill you're having, you can
Yeah.
come and produce it to us. We're gonna be happy for it. I think sometimes if we're gonna having a place like a studio,
Studio,
I
ne?
think that thing is gonna be driving on its own. You get
Yeah,
what I'm saying?
no,
If
yeah,
a person
yeah,
came to you in your studio, whether it's a must, you need to give
No,
her or him
yeah,
something. You know what I'm saying?
cause we're not in a public place. We're in a
Yeah,
private place, and
eish.
it's your place.
Yeah.
And the manager, yabona, they have expectation as well. Good day, ungikhiphe endlini, I haven't ate. Ufuna ungifikisa lana, angidli.
You're not even giving me.
There's no food, there's no tea, there's no water.
Yeah, so
Ah,
but
no.
it's tough. But I won't lie. But that's a nice thing to do. Yeah, well, that's
No.
a nice thing to do.
We're gonna get there.
Yeah, we're going there.
We're going there.
I think I haven't dropped in 2 months. I
Yes.
haven't dropped in 2 months if I'm not mistaken. But if I'm checking like my followers, the beats they are going there. Slowly
Oh,
but
okay,
surely.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
like we in 400 and something.
Okay.
followers.
400?
Yeah, 400 and something. And
For real?
yeah, so I see.
Okay.
If I'm not dropping anything, people they
Listen,
following
listen.
me. So if I
Listen.
drop, people so I'm very good. But a person mustn't drop for quite a long time. I think
Man,
people
no.
will follow. But
You know what I think? I think because of traffic, and I'm talking about media traffic,
Yes.
it's important for us Guti, to have media traffic.
Yeah.
Wherever there's a big podcast
Yeah.
that's dropping,
Yeah.
let's also drop.
very much
That
so.
way, when they see, when they see, for instance, podcast and chill, it dropile, and then in that algorithm,
Yeah.
babona ngusana nyoni udropile.
As cool of a podcast, yeah.
Asikhulume podcast ikhona nayo laphana idropile, then it's gonna be something, dog.
Yeah.
They're gonna be like, oh, okay. So they're gonna watch the podcast and chill, and then be like, let's go out to Asikhulume. Yini Asikhulume, yabona?
Yeah.
Then they get interested every week. But when I go, no,
Yeah, we need to
these guys
drop,
are
yeah.
these guys are pushing.
But I mean, like what my whole dream about this thing, a week if gonna be dropping 2 episodes, gonna be dropping about trending news, dropping when we're having a guest.
Okay.
I think it's gonna be if that thing's gonna be possible, it's gonna be dope, you know?
Manje,
Yeah,
what's
but
stopping
it's
you?
tough.
What's stopping you?
What's stopping most of the time is me and you to meet,
My
talk about
brother.
trending news.
My brother.
Another thing, it's about people. If you wanna having a guest, né? If you wanna have a guest, those guests sometimes, hey, people of cars and fit about swear.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
having
yeah,
those
yeah,
swear
yeah,
things,
yeah,
and you don't blame them, you know?
yeah. No,
Why,
I'm there to
why I say I don't blame them? Because now also we're not consistent. If we go consistent, automatically
So
someone
so your name is not
not there, not
up
there.
there
Yeah,
yet.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Your name is not there
yeah.
yet.
So we need
No,
to push that thing.
we can have guests. Here's two guests.
Yeah, we can have guests.
We can have
Yeah,
guests.
yeah, we will have guests.
We can cook.
Yeah, we must cook.
Yes.
Before we start about today's topic, ever since we dropped that episode, we shoot that episode
Shut
and
up.
we never drop.
Yeah.
How was your life after that? Because you have many dreams, many goals you want to achieve, and you never achieve even one of them. So how was your life? How's your life?
Life,
I
you
must check
know,
up on you.
life has been lifing, dog.
Yeah.
You know, life has its ups and downs.
Yeah.
You know, life has been lifing, dog.
Yeah.
There's always when you want to try something,
Yeah.
one,
Yeah.
and then whatever that is that you want to try, it doesn't work, and then you're like, you know what? Let me just live. And then when you decide to just let
Live.
things be,
Yeah.
then whatever you wanted to try before
Yeah.
is starting to happen now. Then you're like, hey,
What's happening?
which one is this one now?
Yeah,
You
so
know what I
it-
mean? So slowly but surely, it's baby steps.
Yeah,
But
it is.
life has been lifing, my
Yeah,
brother. How about you?
I mean, I'm good, dog. I mean, it's just I'm busy with many things at once, and even all of those things that I'm doing, even
Yeah.
not even one of it that's popping. Yeah, well,
So nothing is popping.
yeah, nothing is popping because you put your energy in many things at once. Yeah, well, so that's the problem.
Yeah. So you're
that's the
gonna.
problem.
So yeah. So you're gonna lose
Your focus.
your focus. Yeah.
my
Because
focus,
if one thing isn't working,
Popping,
it's gonna
yeah.
discourage you to continue to do something else. Be like,
Yeah.
aye, let me move on.
Yeah, yeah. So that's my main problem for now. Like I need to be focused on one thing, another thing, about.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like that. But everything, no, I don't have any complaint.
No,
Now I'm happy.
In due time, my
Also
brother.
glowing, you can see.
Yeah, no. I saw a dog. Hey, I
I'm
saw a
glowing.
dog.
Oh, no,
I remember bumping into you. I'm like, hey, Mr. Yunus glowing.
Yeah.
Which one is this one?
Yeah, no, it's like accepting life how it is.
Yeah.
Everything I accept how it is, how life is flowing, how life flows. I quit alcohol.
Dog, tell me why?
Hey,
Why?
maybe I can say I'm in a break. Like I'm
Okay,
going for 3 months.
okay,
now,
okay,
Because that
okay.
name quitting is something else.
Okay.
No, alcohol does. When I'm drunk, I'm doing many nasty things.
Nah.
So I see, I'm having many enemies because of alcohol.
So you can't really control yourself
Yeah, I
when
can't
you're
control
drunk.
myself when I'm drunk.
Eh.
Yeah. I call a spade a spade. I do many nonsense things. So
You know
I
what
saw
I-
these things. No.
You know what I think, dog? You know what I think?
Yeah.
I think everyone in life, nah, but given a what you call this? Given a time or age restriction, everyone in life needs to experience
Alcohol.
alcohol, being drunk.
No, yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, you need to.
I feel like everyone in life, dog, they need to tap in that. Not good thing it's gonna be a thing that you're gonna be doing your whole entire
Yeah.
life. Obviously not. But maybe once in your life.
You need to pass the
Yeah,
stage.
that stage ube nje
Yeah, we-
yenyana nje yabona.
But one thing I saw about myself, I was having too much problems, and I was taking alcohol as a what?
Escape
As-
route
yeah,
now.
so that's the problem.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the problem. I wasn't drinking for fun. I was drinking for nasty things.
Yeah,
I
no,
was having stress. and
it's
stuff.
it's a
That's the
coping
problem.
mechanism.
Yeah. So I said, no. I need to stop this thing and focus on myself.
Yeah.
So today's topic, dog, we need to talk about celebrities, SA celebrities. We see what's happening in SA in Ghana.
What's
in South
happening?
Africa.
What's happening,
A lot
boy?
of things are happening. Trending stories like we can talk about Scott Makuma is the one artist now is in limelight. You know?
Yeah,
Does
yeah,
that,
yeah,
do
yeah,
that
yeah.
and stuff. You know?
Yeah.
First, we need to say congratulations to him. He bought a nice car.
Yeah, and a house as well.
Yeah,
Hey,
yeah,
man,
exactly.
shout out, bro. Yo, that's That's big, Ntwana. Hey, that's huge, fit. Shout out to him. Shout out to him.
Yeah, he bought two things at once.
At one boy, aye. Shout out to him. Mara, you know you can say it's because obviously with music people tend to think with music when you make a song,
Yeah.
tomorrow the song drops,
Yes.
and then next week everything is in proper. You gonna buy the car, and it doesn't work like that. I'm sure he made songs maybe
Maybe,
2023,
Yeah, it's been long.
and then the song started popping maybe last year, and because we saw last year he was gigging. He was gigging last year. Yabon. He was the talk of the country.
Yeah, it was.
Yabon. And then obviously this is you reap what you sow. So now he's reaping what he sowed. Yabon. We receive a man. Seventh wakhe.
And kudala segaming man.
Yeah.
Long
People
that guy,
don't understand.
Kudala segaming. I think first chat with the Baba Naye, I think it was Kaya or what, I don't remember the radio station.
Yeah.
Baba Naye, he was talking, they interviewed him that time. Actually, kudala mfethu ngifisa ukuba segaming. Yabo?
Yeah.
Before papa nyalo la. I
Yeah.
think before COVID the episode if I'm not mistaken.
Oh.
Kudala vela segaming as
Oh yeah.
And you know
And
like,
Buga before COVID.
Yeah.
Before COVID. That was
long time ago.
yeah, that was
5 years
still
back.
early years.
Yeah.
Yeah, piano though.
So
Yeah.
that's the problem. People will see him now and say,
Ah,
this guy, blah, 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 blah.
because the song's
Hey,
popping now, but the guy has been working.
Yeah, he's working. I know. I wonder if you can give that guy a mic. Is something else. That one is
No matter, it shows in Fit South Africa there's talent.
a lot of talent.
Yeah, it shows.
Lots
It
of
shows.
talent. Dance movie.
It
That
shows.
guy dance. DJs. He sings.
And Fit, there's talent, and you know what's crazy, bro? Some talents you don't even see the talent until you put that person maybe in a mic,
Yeah.
or maybe not even see, but yeah, you can't recognize the talent because there's this kid. It's over this kid. What's his name? I forgot his name. I don't know his name actually.
Yeah.
Le,
It's a guy.
yeah, wala lokshin. Ungakaki.
Oh,
Mfethu,
Who playing for her?
take that kid. Take that kid. Create a skits about him or a show or a comedy show about that kid.
Yeah.
I be main character of a show.
Yeah.
The way he talks, the way he acts. Ah, Mfethu.
I can see him in
That's
TikTok.
gold,
I can see him in
yeah.
TikTok, his views and stuff.
Yeah.
Followers, like, and a lot of
That's
followers,
talent.
yeah. And I once asked him to be my guest.
Uh.
He refused. He said he wants money. Yeah. And
Oh,
I don't
bafuni
think
you.
he-
Hey, bafuni you.
Man is a brand now himself. I think so. He's a brand himself. Yabo. Because that Agakaki thing is a brand. Yabo.
But is he making money?
I don't know. I think so.
Because you can't call yourself, you can't proclaim yourself a brand if you're not making money.
No, but the people sometimes, you know, Baba, another thing would say, when there's something and it becomes a hit, yabo.
Yeah.
And let's say a small nyana nyunyana, yabo, and he
Uh.
thinks they're very he needs to operate that way. Can you sing a figure there?
Ah,
Yabo, he never reached there. You
imagine
understand?
you're a long way
Because,
from there.
There's another guy of mine called Tepo G. He wants to talk to the Fandays, Sparandi.
Yeah.
He told us, Sparandi, you know to be an artist, my brother, it's costly. You're able to be an artist, to be a brand, like an artist. You see now, man is a vocalist.
Yeah.
You need to be, people need to always see clean every day. Like it or not, you understand? And if you can't maintain that, sometimes you need if you can't maintain that thing, it's something else. You get what I'm saying?
Mara, that's perspection. That's
Yeah,
what
that's
what Scott Mapumo was craving about.
Yes.
To where I kona manje, it was the whole thing you could see. Scott wanted to be himself. Scott was like Bafetu.
But now you
I
celebrate,
mean-
you can't do that. You can't be yourself now.
Yeah, my
Be
brother,
yourself.
Mara,
Now
my
you need
brother.
to-
Eish.
You need to maintain the thing that you show to people.
Okay, but here's my chat. Ne. We have I think in this generation now, it's way more easier to be a celebrity than it was in the early 2000s or in the 80s or in the 90s. And I'll tell you why. Because it's easy now to be myself
Yeah.
and take a video of myself and post it somewhere and then I trend.
Yeah.
And then if I do that consistently, that's gonna make me a celebrity.
Celebrate, Yeah, now it's so easy to
You
say.
understand?
But to
But
sustain that celebrity, but
that's what I'm
celebritiness thing,
saying.
it's
But
not easy.
abo, you can't expect that person to, because you can't expect that person to see abe nenyuku. If he posts every week for 6 months,
Yeah.
every week, you can't expect him to abe nenyuku yokuthenga igucci.
Eish. Not beside not beside Gucci. Even you can see Scott Makuma. He don't wearing those expensive things. About he's wearing Nike, Adidas,
Yeah,
those
but
brands.
listen,
But they're also expensive. Also.
listen. The reason why I mentioned a social media or an influencer type thing
Yeah.
is because Mapuma is a recording artist.
Yeah.
So he puts money into his art.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying with the content creators don't put money into art. They do as well. But there's a person who has money and decided to invest in Scott and say, Ntwana, tuna da idini ufuna kuyichuna. Yabona?
Yeah.
And then siyoshaya inyuku ngale nto ufuna kuyichuna. Yabona? He gigs, he goes to shows
Yeah,
and
he does.
gigs.
Yeah,
Inhloko ibuhlungu angafuni gig, but he goes there and do his thing, and then afterwards
Cause
he comes
they
back.
started it.
Exactly, and then he comes back, and then when he comes back, he just wants to be a human being, not a celebrity.
Dog, it's not.
Na yena uScott
I
yafuna.
think you're a human being when you get in your territory, when you get in your place. But when you're outside there,
Oh.
you're no longer.
Okay, but what
you're no
happens?
longer-
But what happens? Because let's be honest with it. What happens when now you had a family funeral,
Yeah.
and
That
and
celebrity things there.
and
So don't when you're outside.
and mzala wakho knows
Yeah.
ukuthi unkosana is a celebrity,
Yes.
and your cousins friends
Yeah.
they wanna meet you, the celebrity.
Yeah. Plekov once says, ne? What's Plekov's name? One which-
Uput nut,
Nah,
nut, yeah,
one day he once called another restaurant. Ne?
yeah,
As I am Nati, I want to book a table. And
Imagine.
that fancy restaurant.
yeah.
And they say, I know it's fully booked. Then he hang off. Ne? After an hour, you call like a Thai and play cover or something like that.
There was.
He always say, there's play cover and
Yeah,
there's
and there's
not.
not. Yeah.
So when you're out there with people, it's play cover.
Hey,
When you get
babe.
to this place, it's not. You
Yeah,
get what I'm saying?
ne.
So also Scott Mapumi needs to recognize something like that. Besides Scott Mapumi, else, like there are many people that they need to recognize when you are a celebrity. Whether you need to treat the celebrity nice, but
Mara.
you need to have more boundaries.
Yeah, wait.
But you mustn't be like the things that he was doing. Put up a comment and
Oh yeah,
Because when I tell you, you say you wanna be an artist. If you're an artist,
You're gonna be a public figure.
Oh, dog.
You're gonna be a public figure.
Oh, dog.
No lie, real
That's
talk.
Who was always wearing a mask in the scenes.
Mzekeze, that's why Mzekeze is possibly one of the best celebrities we ever had. Because angati Maskov, now you don't know good day.
Ubani.
Ubani lo.
Yeah.
Yabona?
Yeah.
No, but shout out to the Brew, man. Shout out to the Brew, Scott Mapuma. He's been doing amazing.
Yeah,
It's
doing
just
amazing. That
it's
is
just
amazing.
the attitude that he has
That thing's on him.
towards hey.
Now he made it live. Say in August, if I'm not mistaken, he's coming in Godini. There's an event that's going to be hosted in Godini. Say he's coming, and he made it live. Just that guy, I don't know what's wrong about him.
Uthini lapha live?
Utiena, people of Godini, I'm coming on August. He mentioned the day. I don't remember the day. And if you don't show up there, I'll be rude.
Oh, if the people
if the people don't show up, you'll be rude.
okay.
You're showing attitude. So like you say like you don't even take him seriously that apology that he made.
Nah,
that
but
time.
you know what I think?
Yeah.
You know what I think?
Yeah.
I think this is a great way to sell.
Kind of, ne?
This is a marketing strategy. Mfethu. Think
Yeah.
about it. Yeah, TET, I'm going to this place.
Yeah.
People of this place, I'm coming to a place.
Yeah.
If you are not there,
Yeah. I'll have an
uzongibona.
yeah, maybe it's a marketing
Nizothi bathini bona ngithi bangenaphi bona.
Yeah. But I think sometimes something that he needs to do. I think they need to manage us. They need to manage his social media.
Oh yeah.
I think, that guy is so personal sometimes.
All of them, even Maporiza, Joe. Maporisa is pussy. Even Maporisa, Pori is so personal, bro.
But Pori is been to the
Pori.
game. Yabo. I want Pori he trusts himself. This one is new.
No, 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 no. It's
But
not
this
about.
one, but this
Listen,
one is new. Though.
listen. It's not about trusting yourself,
Yeah.
my G. Ne. If I'll make an example, um, a celebrity. I'm trying to think of a celebrity that I can compare them with.
Yeah.
Uh, who was the biggest Kwaito celebrity?
Thomas Lela.
Mtuma Silela. Perfect example. Mtuma Silela. Yabona? Mtuma Silela. Abu Spikir.
Skido.
Oskido.
Skido.
You know those, you know those people,
We
man.
never heard stories.
You know those exactly. You know those people. You'd say bad things about them,
Yeah. They don't.
and they wouldn't take
don't-
offense.
Yeah, they don't. Yeah, they don't. But in reality,
Yeah, they don't react.
Yeah, they don't react.
They wouldn't take offense, in fact.
They don't
Because
at all.
because
I'm an example of Cubs. Let's talk about Cubs.
there's
Cubs
dark.
never.
Yabona that one, in fact.
Ah,
I
the
know.
legends. I don't know who
Ah,
groomed
but
that
more
guy.
time, but more time fit to.
I
I
wanna
know.
that one.
He doesn't.
The
He
best.
doesn't.
Never.
There were allegations after. It was like
Ah.
I remember there was a time where it's like a week.
A week.
A week,
they talk about
yeah.
it.
Every week
Next.
there's something about Kabza. Kabza,
Even
hey,
the
hey, hey.
same day will never.
Hey, Kabza is showing. Hey, I'm sleeping with Kabza. Hey.
And I don't know.
And you know what he did? He released a statement through his lawyer to say who said these things. The women who are saying these things, they will be contacted
Yeah.
because there's gonna be consequences of what you said
Yeah.
through a statement.
that guy,
Why
that
can't
They do
Puri
as-
Puri does the same thing? Why
And-
can't?
And I thought Ori will respond. Did you hear who do you call this guy? Abu Taha, man.
Yeah, Piano Pulse.
Yeah, and who's the other guy?
Sfiso.
Sfiso.
Mafisoto.
Yeah, uvele uthi umkhulumi ngani
What did Puri say?
Ori said ngathi about ama podcasters ukuthi
Oh, they're ruining. Oh, yeah, they're ruining. They're ruining. Yeah, but that was bullshit, bruh.
oh, what do you say?
Puri
But
was.
but
That's bullshit.
bazamile kulona kuyibeka ukuthi bengasho not in a bad way. Yabo, salowa react lo.
Okay, how was he saying it? How was he saying it?
It's ngize ngayikhohlwa ukuthi ngikathini but
Dog.
I think
Dog, listen.
I think
I don't think-
I think he was specific to a certain podcast.
Who,
Maybe
Pori?
azange abeke ukuthi which one. Yeah, no.
We all know it's the El
yes.
Chido.
El Tido, between the two. Yeah.
No. But he was talking about. Remember, Guti was talking about the Scott Mapuma incident
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah.
because Scott Mapuma went to the El Chido podcast, and
Yeah.
El Chido asked Scott questions, and Scott answered
Yeah.
those, responded to those questions. Those were not El Chido's words; those were Scott
But,
Mapuma's words.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I'm like, Sfiso is not wrong.
Oh, ukuthi
Sfiso is not
respond to some.
wrong. Yeah, Sfiso is not
You
wrong.
know people what do they say? Ukuthi usakhuluma futhi lona usabelo wafuna umbhamuda that day. Who is this guy? Usizwe
Alakine. Yeah.
So
No,
but I think sometimes we're also gonna be growing one day.
Yeah.
We'll be up there. And we're learning through those people who make podcasts, who make Chibo.
Wait, here's my chat. Let me cook.
Okay,
Cook.
cool,
Here's my
cool,
chat.
cool.
Here's my chat. We have a tendency
Yeah.
of taking whatever a big person says. That is gospel.
Yeah.
What makes Maporisa the truth? Because whatever he's saying, it doesn't mean it's the truth.
Yeah. kind
You
of.
understand?
Yeah.
We have a tendency as people, and I mean as people, as ordinary people, we have a tendency of. In fact, have you noticed how you have a girlfriend, ne? For instance, you have a girlfriend, nithembisana ukuthi niyobonana, and then uyakhohlwa. Yabo? Or you black out even.
Yeah.
Yabo? You black out, uyavuka kusasa, and you might ukuthi, hey, gambe. Yabo?
I promise this.
And then this
woman
person will try to talk to you, or will try to not even talk to you, but he'll try to not even correct you, but he'll try to judge you
Yeah.
using ama TikTok reels and videos. of maybe a Gogos Banbayana saying something
Yeah.
about indoda. Akusindoda. If indoda izohamba cause.
Yeah.
And then we take that, whoever posted that TikTok video as gospel. No, Pori was wrong to say my podcast.
They're ruining
They
some artists'
not.
careers.
Because podcasters come to you and say, hey, dog, we want to interview you.
Yeah.
And you say, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yabona? And then we say, no, it's fine. You can interview me. And if Scott Mapuma's camp was, and I'm trying to find a light word, ne? If Scott Mapuma's camp was thoughtful about the interview,
Yeah.
they would have asked for the questions.
Yes. But to-
So they can have
What
PR
question
questions,
do you
yeah. So they can have, so it can be a whole PR thing. But the reason why is podcasts are not PR is because there's radio for PR. Remember what happened to my sister Luya? What's her name? No, is it no? Maschaba. Remember what happened to Maschaba? There was a show on Metro FM, Maschaba Dlov. And that's, I forgot what Brenda Band. Was it more flavor? It was Metro FM.
Yeah.
Afternoon show. And they had Babes Otum. That one.
Yeah.
And they asked Babes Otumo. This is Maschaba. Asked Babes Otumo if Umampincho Mshaya. And Babes Otumo agreed. Put Umampincho Village live on air.
Yeah. What's wrong, Pamu?
Yeah, and it became a whole thing.
Yeah.
Maschaba lost his job because of that. What is that? That's
Radio.
that's commercial media. Thank you. That's radio, commercial media. But if there was a podcast, remember
Wasn't be a
Boko
problem.
Shomban?
Yeah.
It's a podcast. It's not regulated.
No rules, no regulations.
There's no rules, there's no regulations here. Only YouTube come with the rules and say, hey,
Yeah, with
if
it.
you're gonna do this,
Yeah.
put a sign with 18.
Yeah.
If you're gonna talk about such things. You understand? So actually it wasn't wrong. Sfiso wasn't wrong. Scott went today and said, yeah, nah, mina ngeke bangenzele lutho abangangenzi.
But I think sometimes ngani, one thing I need to say about yena Mfiso
Yeah.
uthi ngani you need like I make an example about Mechi. You need to make him like if you're talking about another person, yabo, try to lower your voice, respect that person, even if those words are harsh.
Okay,
But,
yeah. No.
was fighting. Oh,
No. Don't get me wrong. Listen, don't get me wrong.
I get you.
I'm not saying Fiso was right the way.
He put it.
Yeah. No. I understand Fiso's sentiments. Puri is wrong to say this, but Fiso was wrong by putting the way.
How you put it.
Exactly. That was disrespectful. That was disrespectful for
Now I'm
sure.
trying about, today I was listening to Umekchi. They dropped an episode I think this week.
Monday, yeah, Monday.
And they were talking about Uchezi Q not to slap another guy.
Yeah, you know what? Man. Mac doesn't want to learn, bruh.
Man, before you talk, one thing that Mekchi sometimes does, I don't know, maybe it's for his followers or whatsoever. You talk about Uchezi une attitude, but there's no need to ukhulume ngaloko. Msijezi Q never talk anything.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying, my brother. I understand.
Now I'm having many enemies. Say yes, one money. No, this platform is not for
I
that.
understand. Yeah. That's exactly how I felt. I was like, Mara, there's no need for this, man.
Yes, there's no need for that. Talking about
But-
uslepelo, yabo. Uzowathi yena ngiva ngathi ngabe bashaye. You have an issue with that person. You understand? Ukuthi, sometimes it's unnecessary. So,
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So Scott went to a podcast,
yeah,
did the whole shalada,
yeah.
and then people rallied against him. They're like, Scott, and they missed him. It was bad.
I was in Coyotes the time we performed.
For real?
Bengilapha. I never heard party.
Dog, they missed him.
Azange ngive ukuthi bathini bona. I was
9-9.
there. I was there. I felt
And
that
you know what's crazy? The crazy thing is, as a DJ myself,
yeah.
I know when I play Scott Mapuma,
Yeah.
it's gonna be wild.
Yeah.
People even request Batini Bon.
Yeah.
But then now the person who came with the phrase,
Yeah.
he's performing, and everyone is like, eh.
Exactly. I want people they can make you and they can kill you. He made a mistake. Of
Yeah.
saying, he made a huge mistake.
Yeah,
of
that
saying
wasn't
yeah.
called for.
And I'm so glad many artists they show up in him and they say no boy, no you made a mistake. What the coffee?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What?
Chap chap. Ban. I think it is. So like. I'm so glad to see what the coffee even show up. No, boy,
Yeah, but
no,
what's
no,
Kido?
no.
Yeah, they all went to him.
Cool down.
Yeah,
cool
relax,
down,
boy.
yeah. Even Nanyalo, ne, hype yakhe solusinga buyelanga la bekhona.
You know what I think? You know what I think? I don't think we've cancelled him.
We never.
Yeah, I just
not
think
yet.
we
teach
mic'd him.
Yeah, we teach him something.
You,
Yeah,
it's that
see.
Novioli type thing. You know, yeah, man, we did what Kespa did to Saul. Yeah, man.
Mara so na yadelele
That
sometimes.
nah,
So-
but Saul was drunk, man.
yeah, but my man. Okay, sorry.
Saul was drunk.
Sorry, ukuthi yadelele na is a group man.
But Saul was drunk.
Yeah, but he was drunk, but he always continued to saying that. Now you're drunk, my brother.
But
Why
it
don't you
wasn't-
apologize?
Wait.
But now it's
Can I
a
ask?
trend
Wait,
now.
can I ask? What did he do wrong?
None they say Casper was crying about was on their when they're sitting there shooting their podcasts, their episodes every time. They used to talk bad about it. So why now when you see me, you wanna act?
No.
Somehow.
Saul never spoke bad about
Hey, I'm
Casper.
asking. Casper said so.
Casper, Saul never bad. I watched that podcast.
Yeah.
Saul has never said anything bad about Casper.
Yeah. Who said?
Mac doesn't give a fuck. Mac is like, ah,
that's
bitch.
one, yeah,
Oh.
that's- But Saul said
Oh,
now,
shit.
now Saul is going with the flow. Notice one thing.
No, Saul is like that song is trash. Saul is judging your music. As a consumer of your music, I have the right to say, this thing is trash, I don't like it.
Why don't you say this song? I don't like it myself.
That's what he said. He was like, I don't feel the song.
That's what I'm saying. Sometimes if you're out there, the words, how you put the words. is something
Let's
else.
not be captured,
Okay.
people. Let's not be
Okay.
captured. If something is not in your taste, it's not in your taste.
Yeah,
Let's be-
talk about your
yeah,
side.
that's what he said. He was like, for me, no,
I don't feel.
it's not the one.
Which one? Which song you talking about? The one is trending. The Casper.
I think it was before the one is trending. I
But
think
you're
it was.
not talking about the little verse like Scooter Bab. I don't remember very well.
I haven't.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think it was that one.
Yeah,
No,
something like
Akira
that.
is. Okay, so I don't understand because I don't really listen to.
Abu Mekji.
No.
Who Casper?
Casper like that, ne. But I know there's Hosh Karamine or something,
Yeah. Oh yeah.
ne.
Oh.
And then
Hosh
there's
Karamine.
is Hosh Karamine and Scooter Baba the same song or different songs?
I think a different song.
Oh, Scooter Baba is that slow song. Scooter Baba. What?
They
Yeah.
made a remix.
They were talking about that one, the
Yeah, I
verse.
think they were talking about his.
They were talking about that verse there. You understand? But then he came up with Hosh Karamine, which is it's catchy.
Yeah, it's shy.
Yeah, it's catchy. It's doing the thing.
I mean, one thing I like about it, that group man, Casper, you can't predict him. That's why.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you
By
something.
10,
Let me
you won.
let me tell you
Yeah,
something.
flies,
Let me tell you something. You see, Casper is the perfect example of how Scott Mapuma should have handled
Yeah.
that situation.
Yeah.
I'm talking Casper now. I'm talking about Casper now. Casper now. Yeah,
Yeah, you used to.
Yeah.
But in
to react. Yeah. Mara now. Casper now. Now Casper doesn't react, bruh.
I know he's a grown-up person. Yonke ninesikhathi sakhona.
And now he doesn't react, bruh. Now
He saw it, I know. No.
what made Indabaga Scott's worse is he was arrested.
Yeah, I heard indaba yase Maputo. It's Maputo, ne?
Yes, Mozambique.
Bam arrestile kumbe bathi
He
ufike
was
late.
detained. No, he came late.
Yeah.
I don't think he even I don't think he actually performed.
Hey, never.
He didn't perform.
Hey,
ne?
never. You were supposed to perform or you were supposed to
Make an appearance.
Yeah, like ngathi bekayo
Sure.
ngathi ngani was an event yabantwana ngathi bekayo
I'm not sure.
ngathi bekolona man beyokhuluma abantwana something like that.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, but it was an event.
It was an event
Yeah.
Bantwana, but he didn't
He came
um,
out late.
he came
So
late.
Yeah. And they said
he
they
got
were drunk.
arrested. He got arrested for being late.
For real, I mean, I thought
That's-
they were drunk.
No. He was detained because he was late. and he was paid fully,
Yeah.
allegedly.
Yes.
Yabon?
But they say he went to perform somewhere before he came.
Which is possible. The
Yeah.
artists do that a lot. Which is possible.
And nyalo and ngalena bambitile to another news of something like ngalo news, but I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
He was talking so
What's he?
oh,
The what you call that?
It's a media thing that bambitile.
What you call this thing? Yeah, I saw that he did say, because I remember there was
See,
this
they
journalist who was
Yeah, I think they
who
once
was
performed somewhere.
yeah, there was a journalist who came to him and was like, yeah, can you please tell us what happened?
Yeah.
And he's like, no, I've released a press
Yeah.
conference. Yeah.
Yeah, but
Hey man, but if wait,
dog, you wanna go see like
wasn't Pori also arrested at some point in Mozambique? No, in Zimbabwe. I think there was. I remember there was a story, Nyana,
I don't know.
that Pori was also arrested in Zimbabwe.
I don't know.
I think for similar thing. I'm not
Man.
sure though. I could be wrong.
I'm not sure about Paul.
But my chat is now. Hey, Veti, now you get arrested for being late.
Yeah, there are some other countries, dog, you don't play. And they
Why
say,
don't we do this here, Veti?
and they say, Zoto Aban, they say she needs to go and perform that side. They say, but
Nah,
I
they
ngala.
said yeah.
I ngala, we come
They
go
said
and
yeah. They said as soon as you land.
Yeah, it's
Sakuthatha.
we need to promote that nonsense of yours.
Yeah,
This
that's what
side.
they say. That as soon as you land, we're taking you here. We don't play here,
Yeah,
bro.
I don't play. Tell me, dog. I saw something about Meda Bongs. I think you result
No. What's up with Metabongs?
about this face. I don't know what happened.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but he made a statement. I think was we keep her fast. So I think we are still Cape Town, something like that. I think we are told Kaiseren.
Oh, it's an accident.
Yeah, I don't know. But
It could be an
yeah,
accident.
Yeah, something like that. But,
Speculation
yeah,
says.
But in straight. I don't know. I'm not sure.
Yeah, but bro, among Metabongs, bro, they're not the type to do stupid things. You know?
Nah.
Yeah, they move nicely, those ones.
Yeah,
They
I know.
don't do stupid things, man. They understand that they're brands.
Are they coming for?
Yeah, they understand good. No. And remember, they come from the school of Oskido.
Yeah, well,
You
but
know.
also my police is coming from the school of
Yeah, but
Oskido,
now
that one is.
Listen.
My
So
police,
here's my chat.
Yeah.
Metabongs is not as guap as Oskido is. It's not as guap as Maporisa is. I think Maporisa kind of like took the money
Nah, you don't tell me
and
that.
it was like, come on.
I'm big.
Yeah, but I don't.
It's big.
He's big. Yeah. 100%. Ah, Pori is
That's
huge.
one's a legend. Did you hear this last album that he produced? I think there are 21 tracks there. Dog.
With who? Alone.
Yeah, and he features people. He made an album.
Isn't it the recent one? The one with
Not,
who's that kid? Who's that guy, man?
I know, not that one. I don't find out my threats.
I don't even know this. I don't even know this guys,
He
man.
made his own album.
When did it drop?
Oh, I think it's been 2 months if I'm not mistaken.
You talking about the same album? Inengoma yiphi?
Le ngoma le anang youngster na
Abantwana.
ngathi imthandazo, like I think it's about prayer and stuff. You have data.
Yeah, abantwana bakho.
But about God and stuff. You talk about the same
Yeah.
album.
Yeah, that's the same album I'm talking about. Yeah, it's not him alone. It's what's this
Oh,
kid's
man,
name?
X something, ne?
Yeah, X Dappy.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
yeah.
X Dappy's album and yeah with yeah.
That
no.
X Up is the one who dropped that song of the year.
Which song of the year?
It's in which Damani, Scott Mapuma, Maporisa, young, what's it called? Vocalistic man.
Vocalistic.
Mm.
Is that? Oh yeah.
that boy?
Yeah.
Where
Is
about-
he there? Let me check.
I don't know. I think it's that boy.
I think
that
it's
boy
there.
will say
He's
dope.
cooking.
Yeah,
He's
but
cooking.
he's dope.
Oh, Birimaru.
Yeah, Birimaru.
It's probably him. Hey, he's cooking. No. I've checked the album. I have the album.
Yeah, I know.
I made sure that I streamed the album, bruh.
Yeah, that's
The
right.
album is the album. Even that song, the Abantwana Bako.
Yeah.
Because I was one of the when the album dropped,
Yeah.
I was like, okay, let me listen to the album. And then I hit the song. I was like, the song is way too long. The song is too long.
That one is too deep.
but they cooked.
I hear Nkosazana daughter. What's that other woman is there?
Tato Hatsi.
Ah,
Yeah, nibo.
ah,
Ay, ay bo, my.
it's a hit.
Tato Hatsi, Tracy. Yo,
You
you're one of those two. Yeah. No,
And,
those
and
two, those two.
there's another, all the tracks are dope. And there's another track, Nkosazana daughter. They featured who this guy.
On the album.
Abeko ready. What was?
Central.
Abeko ready. Oh, Dalman. What's the
The album.
Toad.
Ay,
Featuring Nkosazana daughter. You need to listen to that one.
what's
That same album.
Liabolo?
Exactly.
Are you serious? But you see them two there.
No, he was doing something else.
No, Maporisa put his name there. That's the only thing he was doing. He put his name. That's what Puri does. Mara, he probably did have producing efforts. He did something.
Yeah.
But you gotta give it Puri, bro. You gotta give Puri some credit, bro. Puri understands music. Yes. Yes. Puri's ear, bro, is golden.
So, which trending news do we have, like artist news? Like we talking about.
Who else? Who else? Jezik is trending.
Yeah, she's a pump. But you heard what happened? They said that guy wanted to record Maporisa and Kabza. They were DJing and you want to make a live. Jezik refused, yabo? So he understand and he left and he came back, was drunk, that guy, ne?
Yeah, Tulane Way.
Yeah, they say he was drinking. He was drinking and he put that drink on top of the turntables, something like that. So,
Yeah. On the
CDJs. They were fighting.
On the DJ booth, man. Let me tell you something. As someone who has
Those
sound
things.
equipment,
Yeah.
those things,
Yeah.
bro, CDJ is expensive. CDJ is expensive. The cheapest one you can get is like 20K.
Yeah, the cheapest one.
The cheapest
A
one
dumb
you
one.
can take. It's like
A
20K.
dumb one.
I'm sure now the ones on Jezik's establishment, Vibes on Main.
Yeah.
I'm sure those ones they're like 100 and something K.
Maybe
For one.
Maybe,
Yeah, 100 and something K just for one. You understand? So for someone to put their beverage on that thing, if that drink spills, bruh, hey, that's gonna cost you free to.
Yeah, it's gonna cost you life.
You free to. You apparently that's what he did.
Yeah, but
And then he tried to press.
Yeah,
Then he tried to press there. On the mixer, on the CDJs, he was trying to press.
They say he was disrupting.
And then Chisamba happened.
Oh, there's no way.
But if you're being honest, bro, if you're being honest, I don't think
Jesus was wrong.
I know
Yeah, quite, it was end.
for to even be violent, that's wrong.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
That's wrong. But bruh, Jezik has always been confrontational.
I know Jezik, they say he's angry. These things.
Jezik is always.
Yeah,
Mfethu akusilula ukuthi uphaphele uJezik ube mnandi mfethu.
Yeah.
He's gonna come for you like hey, uthini?
Yeah, but anyway.
Joe, hey, Jezik doesn't move like a.
Hey, but it's angry.
Imagine, and
but
it's in
it's
Alex, his
angry.
hometown.
Yeah, but it's so angry, Jezik. But you can see in music area, in the music business, it's no longer that much. It's no longer that much producing songs.
No, he released an album. He has an album.
But you don't hear it like as Bomapore.
It's not as big, but he's not as big. Remember, there's a lot of kids that came after Abu Jezik, and remember Jezik blew up when they were a group. Jezik Disciples.
That time.
So when Jezik Disciples split, even the camp, the people who followed them split. Abaye bahambe no Josiah, abaye bahambe no Jezik. But I mean, Jezik has been very instrumental. I don't think he produces as much as before. I don't think that's his thing, really. But Abu X Dapi, they've worked with Jezik. Abu Melo and Sleazy, they've worked with Jezik. These are people that
I'm so proud they are from here in Mpumalanga.
No, that's Shake and Les.
Yeah.
That's
Shout out
Shakes
to you.
and Les. Yeah, Shakes and Les.
Down to earth. You never heard stories about them.
Those bros
Yeah,
are, those
one,
bros
yeah,
are cooking,
yeah,
bruh.
yeah,
Those
yeah,
bros,
yeah, yeah.
those bros are doing something, dog.
Ah, yababona laba bafana be-shakes and less.
The shakes and less.
I don't understand. Yes, got my puma. Yes, got my puma.
No, those bros are cooking,
Yeah,
fana.
those ones are.
This is a 1245.
Those ones are, legend.
This is a 1200. That's your push, Alicia.
Yeah, bafana
But
be-shakes and less.
Jessica has always been confrontational.
Nah.
You don't come to Jessica and be like, hey, hey. It's gonna condition you,
But he's killing his
man.
friend now because of such things. Because people they can make you, they can kill your brain just like that.
Yeah,
Because,
but he has so much.
aish.
But he has so much hands. It's like the whole podcast and chill thing.
Yeah.
Good to- Abu Mikji, they are in TV,
Yeah.
and then he says something, and then they pull them out.
Aish.
But he's still eating on that. Why? Because Piano Pulse is there.
Oh, it's make cheap, like piano.
Yeah.
Nah.
It's part of the network.
Okay.
Piano Pulse is there. Popcorn and cheese is there. Well, people need comedies there. You know the Mantrizis are there as well.
That guy doesn't apologize. I never hear him apologize.
He does. He did apologize, but
On that matter.
yeah,
I
he
never
did.
heard it.
Like 2 weeks later.
Nah.
Yeah, 2 weeks later.
He's
2 weeks later,
apologizing
but you,
for the sake of
yeah, for the sake of
apologizing.
he was like, for the sake of
That's why-
apologizing, I'll do it.
that's
But
why- He's a brand ambassador of another garage.
yeah.
I don't remember the
Faru.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. He's a brand ambassador. For
Yeah.
Shout out to him. I
Shout
know
out
he's
to
a
him,
joker.
man.
I know he has been. I know he's not afraid.
It's not been captured.
I know he's not good. Yeah, he's not.
Not been captured, my brother. Not been captured, my brother.
Just cool.
It's not been captured.
I know that's
my
why it's
brother.
not captured.
It's
I
not
know
been
it. Yeah,
captured,
it's
my
not-
brother. So he has the freedom to do things
Aye.
and say things.
Yeah, he got. Ulo, what this guy called? Shebe Shit.
Yo.
Shayana.
Oh,
That's why I can't understand. I mean, Shebe, I can't understand. Hey, Shaba
Oh, Mfethu.
We wanted a Lana Shaya, another guy with a bottle.
I haven't seen
Yeah,
Shebe.
Got
Shebe-
court cases, I don't know what.
Yeah. You know, Shebe has been arrested before.
Yeah, no. Khona lenye bekaphethe ngathi i-timer hawk if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I saw that one.
That guy, I don't understand. I can't understand.
If it's
Yeah.
somewhere this week, I saw a video of him driving in high speed drinking. His
Oh, yeah,
daughter,
yeah.
his daughter was killed in a car accident. The car he was driving.
That guy, no, he needs a
He's
proper
reckless,
Yeah, he needs a
man.
proper management. I think he even defeat his management.
He's reckless,
He's
that
a brand
man.
dog. If you're a brand dog, you need to be.
Yeah, I don't think he takes it that serious.
Nah.
I don't think he takes it that serious.
But I think Spotlight Valley it's killing. Like Valley, if you lapho Spotlight, if you don't know your story, Valley izokudrown.
Yeah, izokukawata, mfethu. Izokukawata, mfethu. I don't think he's taking this whole thing that serious, mfethu.
Heartless man.
Excel, lay out, mfethu. Lay out. I don't know how many people got slaps from that. Udirang pa,
Tabang.
Wetsalang pa, Sheba pa. Papa one way, man, Joe. I'm not shy, Papa, Joe, Mara. I don't blame him that much. And I'll tell you why I don't blame him that much.
Yeah.
I don't blame Sheba that much, dog.
Yeah, right?
That's what Sheba is accustomed to.
Yeah.
I blame whoever signed Sheba.
Gotcha.
Why don't you manage your artist?
That's what I think is unmanageable.
Nah.
That's what I think is unmanageable. No. That's why it needs to be manageable by Mr. Mkwanas.
No, hey. Hey,
Mkwanas.
Hey, Mkwanas is a different ball game. Hey, Mkwanas is straight. Mkwanas is
I
straight.
think Shebe, if you can get Mkwanas next to him, I think it's gonna be proper. Bangamqondisha.
Nah, man. Sheba needs a proper law-abiding,
Yeah.
focus management.
Yeah.
He needs a camp like that.
He really needs. Oscar Mbo.
What happened with Oscar?
Oscar Mbo, I don't know where he was performing. He was supposed to perform somewhere and he landed. When he landed, he started DJing. People, they were never attending him. They were never paying attention to him.
Oh, I saw
They were
that.
singing their own Zabalazo songs.
No, you guys don't understand.
Yeah.
That's not what happened.
Okay, what happened?
Let me tell you, dog. Let me tell you what happened,
Yeah.
my brother. So Oscar was performing in Limpopo,
Yeah.
And
Oh,
then
was it
yeah, it
Limpopo?
was Limpopo. Yeah. Remember there was the whole charisma thing. Yeah. But Oscar
Mbo
Mbo taking out my USBs
yeah,
about.
yeah, but he apologized.
Listen,
Okay, I'm just
let me cool. So Oscar was performing there,
yeah.
and then the sound had an issue, so it had to stop.
Oh, okay.
So it was cut off, and
Yeah,
then
when people
instead, you
ask
see,
people, yeah,
they were
yeah,
cooking
yeah,
the story
yeah,
now.
yeah.
People are cooking the story like, yeah, we do it, yeah. No. The sound
Yeah.
had a problem, and then they had to
Okay.
stop, and then people started just chanting.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but just to keep themselves,
Yeah. Oh,
just to keep the
okay.
vibe going on.
People
But
now
it
know.
wasn't. No.
Hey, man, people now, hey, man, us now is media, man. Come on.
No,
Hey.
no, 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 no. Nah, social media is just spreading
The rumors,
speculations.
yeah,
Yeah,
the
rumors that are
nonsense
not
ones.
accurate. No. It wasn't like people have forgave Oscar Bo, man. And shout out to
Yeah.
him, man.
And he
He's
apologized the following day from the
yeah,
mistake and he go live
yeah.
and he apologized and he told his story.
Shout out to him,
Yeah.
man. Shout out,
And he says that I'm so shocked because we talk about it before it goes to media. Ulo sister, ubani konje.
Charisma.
No, it's not. It's about ulo ubani konje loya. Ubani konje lo ujiva kakhulu man uMakhadzi.
Makhadzi,
It's about
yeah.
Makhadzi.
Oh
Yeah, it's
yeah.
about Makhadzi.
Yeah, but nah. I don't think.
And they say they have talked about
Yeah, I don't think
him and
Makhadzi. I don't think.
And Makhadzi after that he went to social media.
Yeah, I don't think Makazi and I mean Makazi is a huge brand, bro. I
Yeah,
don't
he
think
is.
he'd move like that. And Makazi was like, they're diplomatic. They're like, no, let's iron this thing out. Let's talk about it. Let's be.
They talk about
Yeah.
it, and Makazi went to media again.
And then-
and then that's when Oscar Mbo
Apologized.
to media.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think
No.
it's that deep, man. No, it's not that deep.
Yeah, none people you know. they
People
make
people
stories.
are cooking. People are cooking people here.
Very if you go,
No,
if you
people
go
are
left,
cooking.
very people
People.
go with
Hey,
you.
Fana, we love the left part, bro.
I know. I mean,
People are
I mean,
cooking.
I like that guy. He's humble.
Oscar. Yeah. Shout out to him, and it's just had a baby.
Yeah, I heard it.
Yeah, shout out to him, and
I
he's
like
a
his
father now.
style.
Oscar Strip.
Trip, yeah.
Oscar Strip. Hey, Oscar Strip is
Another one is just putting Ukabs I can really the touch of Oscar, but Oscar like the Ukabs are shy.
Trip wise. No. Kabza ka trip. Kabza is tripping.
Pay attention to that guy.
Kabza is
But-
tripping.
But Maravera, you can
But you
can
know
go
what?
you can
You
go
know-
wrong with people of Mpumalanga. And they are from Mpumalanga.
Hey, oh yeah.
Dog.
MP representing.
You can't go
Yeah,
wrong.
no.
I know.
No, Kabza trip is crazy.
Nothing. Oscar, like
Oscar.
those like that thing like yeah.
Yeah, Oscar. The thing is, Oscar does the whole formal model type thing, yabona. And Kabza is like Kasi slash suburbs, yabona.
It's a mix.
Yeah, it's a mix.
Yeah.
I know Kabza strip is crazy, bro.
It is crazy. Dog.
Kabza strip is crazy.
Share in movie. In the share movie.
What happened again?
About artist dog. I don't know.
Lukshin, what happened? Ekas, what happened? Oh, hey, people are complaining, my brother. Oh. Artists are Lukshin, they're complaining. Good day.
There's no support.
There's no support, my brother. There's no support, my brother. But Babona. I can't mention any name.
Yeah,
I
okay.
can't mention any name.
Which one you talk about? Vocalists or?
No, DJs.
DJs, okay.
Yeah, DJs.
Oh, okay.
Even MCs are complaining. Yeah. They say there's an establishment.
Okay.
Like Lukshin, the guys. There's an establishment like Lukshin. And it's a good establishment, but it's not supporting local acts.
Okay.
I'm told. That every weekend there's always
An artist.
an artist from Yabon.
Yeah, but also in the lineup, they are not put. They are not put them. They don't put them in the lineup.
They are
just
part
put
of they are part of the lineup, but their faces are not shown.
Or they just put their names.
Yeah, it's just their names. And they're complaining, my brother.
So
And
they're complaining what are they doing about that?
they're complaining about it. What else can you do? It's not your establishment.
Yeah, it's not.
Young Tola, so there's nothing much they can do, and besides going to whoever is
Marketing the place.
marketing that place and say, yo, can we please
Also, our faces to be there.
and understand? Because people probably don't know the name, they just recognize the face.
Yeah, sometimes they know the name, they don't know.
They don't know the face. Yeah, so they're trying to put.
Yeah, like that thing. If finally they once talk about it, Bomeki about who's this guy? Uncle Wafu.
Yeah.
Ingoma yakhe
I say, papi. Yeah. Yeah, the kid that's singing there.
But that boy is not there in the videos.
Yeah, the kid that's singing is not
You know,
part of the video. Yeah,
but-
music video. Yeah.
They don't know the kid. But
So the kid can't gig, doesn't gig because it's not.
They don't know him. They don't know him. So is the one. Then the local man, I would say, they can put your name, but they don't know your face.
Here's my
They
issue.
can put your face. They don't know.
Here's
your
my
name.
chat. Here's my chat.
Yeah.
Whose responsibility is it?
Aish. The
Is
management.
it which management of that place,
Yeah, management of the
or
place.
or
Your management.
or your management?
Maybe now I'm still low. I don't have any management.
Yeah, but that
Management
means
side.
you manage yourself. So why don't you say, if you're gonna put me in a line, I put my face in it?
Yeah, I think you need to do something like that.
Nah.
Yeah.
But also, cause these are local artists.
Yeah.
If they say that they may be dropped from the
Really,
from the headline, they'll be like, "Aye,
no.
that's super, though.
Yeah.
Keep it." You know.
But my brother, if you know your story very well, no matter what they will do,
Nah,
you know your
dog.
story. My brother, sometimes,
Nah, dog.
sometimes you need to be that person. In order to
Nah,
now
dog.
uvaga. Okay, my man.
Bruh,
okay, my
let
man.
me tell- let me-
okay, okay. You say you want you ask them to put your face there,
And they
you say,
said,
okay,
"We can't."
Yeah, you can't.
Yeah,
And when you say man party, how people they will know me because they don't see my face.
they'll come to the show and see you.
But you wanna know you wanna
And-
be next
no.
to you wanna be next to the artist. Maybe that's you,
And
the
I'm-
artist, and I wanna be here.
And
my
listen,
face and your
listen,
face.
and I'm playing devil's advocate here. I'm playing devil's advocate.
Yeah.
So I'm saying,
Yeah.
because remember, Gutsi, Elokshini, artists, they're not as tight as the people who runs these establishments.
Yeah.
Obviously, if there's something called Izumbas, I'm sure the people who are managing Izumbas know people who are managing Ishavza, for instance,
Yeah,
know
maybe, yeah.
people are managing Gizane, Black Queen, all those things. And I'm sure they know each other.
They must.
I'm sure they have each other's numbers even.
Yeah, it must. I think they even have a group chat.
They probably talk.
I think even artists, local artists, they need to have a group chat. They talk.
Yeah,
about-
but the problem is, let's say you're a DJ, I'm a DJ. Let's say I'm a DJ here, you're a DJ, Shafza.
resident.
Yeah, resident. Yeah, Shafza. And then there's an opportunity, Shafza,
Yeah.
just to bring one DJ, not to be a resident,
Yeah.
but just to bring to play
Yeah.
on that particular day. Who are you calling?
My G.
Are you calling me,
I'm calling my G.
or you are calling lentwana lehlala igijima nayo la eceleni? But lentwana lehlala that's your G.
Yeah,
Lentwana
that's
lehlala igijima nayo la eceleni is not akasangabi good.
Oh.
You understand?
It depends to that event. Good see, it's based
Ah,
on that.
okay, yeah.
It depends on
But
that event, yeah.
let me cook as well. If it depends on that, let's say that event is not that big,
Yeah.
then what? Who are you calling? Not a big event.
I'm calling that guy. Pera.
Why are you calling this? Why are you
He's
calling
my
him?
G. And I'm also need to promote him also.
So when am I gonna get promoted?
No, you're so good. Nano, you're
Yeah,
So, Nano, you talk
but
about-
I'm still on the lower level.
Oh, listen up here. I need to call someone else while I'm having someone next to me.
But this someone else is not
It's
far
not
away
that
from
good.
you.
Nano, that's the reason I'm talking about. Because it depends to that event. How is that event? If
Here's
it's
my-
a big event,
here's
I
my
need to
check.
call you if you're good.
Here's my chat. Here's my chat. Let's switch the roles. I'm the one, Lucy
Shavza.
Shavza.
Yeah.
You are here.
Yeah.
You are good,
Yeah.
as good as I am.
Yeah.
We're same level.
Yeah.
And ekugcineni kwami kunentwana engiyifundisayo.
Yeah.
It's not that good.
Yeah.
I know ukuthi you are good
Yeah.
more than lentwana le.
Yeah.
And then comes an
Event.
event, and that event is not that big. Angeke ngiyifake lentwana.
When?
Ngeke.
Why?
Ngiyolanda wena.
Why?
Because you are not exposed to
People.
that crowd.
Yeah. But you know me. You know me.
I know
very
good you
well.
rock.
Yeah. So you need to. So when you need to understand this Ntwana who's Ntwana.
No, I don't need to understand this is him.
Yeah.
I'm taking him here. I'm taking you
There.
there. I'm taking him. Ngithatha lentwana ufake.
Oh, yeah. I want to giving him something. Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. So the man complain because wonke umuntu uhlala complain.
Because if I can put you 3 times in that type of situation,
Yeah.
then the fourth time I don't need to.
They
I don't need
already
to.
know me.
They already know you, so now they can call you themselves. Be like, hey, if they're out here,
Ah,
I land.
yeah.
Yabon. So now we are moving to bigger events.
Yeah.
You understand? So now we rock the small events. I call you 3 times, and then they see, hey, that guy is cooking.
Dog, you know I'm having something in my mind now. I just
What you thinking, my
remember
brother?
it now before we close that.
What you thinking, my brother?
This law. You need to open a YouTube page. Yeah? You need to how we're running this YouTube page. We when you used to you having in computer CTJs and stuff, having sound system. Yeah?
Yeah.
You make mixes, dog. Live mixes.
Hey,
Why not, dog?
licensing.
Oh, you need
You need
to
license.
do that.
Not to do that.
mm,
To stream that.
Isn't it?
Yeah. So I can record everything. But if I'm gonna put it on YouTube, I need a license.
You lying.
Or what do you wanna why if you play someone's song on YouTube you get flagged?
Nah.
Yeah. You need a
No.
license. You don't just J.
You don't just do that.
No. There's regulations, my dog.
Nah.
There's regulations, my dog.
I never knew that.
There's regulations.
So, dog, okay, before we close it, yeah? Do you have something?
No.
I think we're done.
I think I think it's fine. It's shy now.
So when you gonna teach me to DJ? Because I now in front of the camera, I need to tell the people if this guy is running away from me, say, guys, this guy is running away from me. I put it in social
Oh
media.
goodness.
No, when I like with a, what do you call with a
Let me.
with a computer can DJ. Yabo? There's another guy called Ray. He passed away. R.I.P. to him. He was starting to teach me how to DJ there in Dumbe. He passed away.
Hey
And then
man,
it comes
let me tell you,
Yeah, in front of the camera.
in front of the camera, why
Yeah.
I was like, this thing also now.
Yeah.
Okay, so someone came to me. Actually, it's more than one people,
Yeah.
but a couple of people came to me.
Yeah.
A dozen of people came to me,
Yeah.
and they all wanted me to teach them how to DJ.
Yeah.
And understand?
Okay, open the school.
I taught ish, I
Okay,
taught
continue. Yeah.
I taught 2. The first time I taught 2.
Yeah.
Yabo? And one of them was came with my cousin. About my cousin is DJ. Donna Mipos. Shout out to her.
Oh yeah. The sister.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and it's like Sister Lamla was like, there's this company
Yeah.
that signed me and signed this girl, but this girl doesn't know how to DJ. I need you to teach her how to DJ.
Okay.
I like, cool. And then there was this friend was like, hey, I also want to learn how to DJ. Cool. The girl that was signed came to lessons maybe twice. After that, never came back. He dropped the whole thing. He's like, okay, fine.
You drop even the
Yeah,
what you
yeah.
call-
She's
the
like,
record label.
yeah, drop everything. I was like, this
Why?
is not for me. I don't know. It wasn't for her. That's what she says. Like, this thing's not for her.
It's a brand new. She was still growing.
I think she was still growing. But I was like,
She
understandably,
was recognized.
she had the potential. She had the potential, not as a DJ,
Oh.
but as an
About
influencer.
something
Yeah, as
else.
an influencer and being in the public eye. Yeah. And then I taught the other one. The other one was pushing, but the other one has other obligations. And I understand. So I understood with Ish. This one also has things to do,
Yeah.
but she was good. I was like, but I'm happy with her. No, she's good, but she's not pushing because she has a lot of things going on.
Okay.
Sharp. And then came this one. This one is the one that demotivated me. Came this one. Like,
Who push this thing away.
no, another one. A third person now comes to me. That person comes to me is like, dog, I need you to teach me how to DJ.
Yeah.
I'm like, why? It's like, I mean, I want to be in public spaces, public media spaces, so I need to learn how to do this thing.
Yeah.
I'm like, cool. I teach her.
You're teaching women.
1, 2, 3. I think I taught her. I think maybe we had like three sessions, and then she stopped. But in those 2 or 3 sessions, I wasn't happy, dog.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah, I wasn't happy as a teacher. I wasn't happy. You know why? Hey, Faith. I can't be teaching a person how to DJ if that person doesn't love music.
Ah, that's a problem. Yeah, that's a problem.
Now I have to
Make you love the music.
not even make you.
Yeah.
I have to create a set for you.
Ah,
But you're the one who got hired
yeah,
to play. But you are using my set.
yeah,
You understand?
yeah.
So I was like, this thing now also, man. But I want to teach a person who loves music.
No, dog, man, I think this thing needs to be a business because you talk
Yeah,
about expensive of things,
I think so.
expensive of equipment. You understand? I think I must be the first one to pay for your service.
Listen,
In order for us, in
There's-
order for me to promote
there's-
you,
there's-
to respect,
there's-
to get that respect, to see, hey, this guy doesn't do things for free.
there's this kid. Shout out to him, and Nati. Le yintwana bathi Nati.
Yeah,
And that kid is a music fan.
yeah,
That kid is a music fan, and what I love about him was like the outstanding music, Joe.
yeah, yeah.
Yang cakap, man, zon le number le. I'm like, yo,
What kind of music you listen to?
he listens to everything.
Oh.
So that's what I like. He listens to everything. He'll tell you about jazz, and man,
Yeah,
he'll tell you about jazz. You're like, hey, what do you know? Where do you have these things
yeah,
now?
yeah.
About, he'll tell you about, but obviously, because of demography music in South
Yeah.
Africa right now, we listen mostly to Amapiano.
Yeah, that's-
So he's
based-
he's
a
based
lot
on
on
Kungala
Amapiano.
Amapiano, but he listens to everything. If it's music, he's gonna listen to.
Nah.
So that's one person I really want to teach how to play.
Oh.
Yeah, but not that why?
Now ukamfundisa
No, 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 no.
or he's in a pipeline.
He's in the pipeline. Logo ukuthi, me and him, time is the issue.
Yeah.
Time for me and him is the issue.
I think next episode.
But if you wanna learn how to, you must pay.
Oh, then. So now, one thing I need to say, you need to go and sit down and plan. You see
This
how
whole
much
thing.
to play, how much to pay, plans and whatsoever.
Yeah,
understand?
yeah.
Because you need to promote it in another episode that's gonna be dropping maybe
Nah.
next week. You understand? You need to leave your numbers next week. Everything, your handles and stuff. You understand? Because I know there are many people they wanna know that thing. You understand? So we need to.
People just wanna learn how to DJ just because most people, especially girls, they wanna learn how to DJ just because they like the whole aesthetics of it. It's not that.
Business dog. We in business dog. We
Yes,
don't care what you DJ for what or whatsoever. You teach them how to DJ and stuff.
Whoa.
Okay, so my man, we
Whoa.
are fundism. Okay, now you're teaching me.
Wait. Mina, I do care, cause this is my brand. I teach you how to play. You're gonna play nonsense there. Whose reputation
I'm
is
not
it?
crying about nonsense. I'm crying about ukuthi umuntu ufuna kuba famous, but
Oh,
udlala
okay,
kahle stuff,
okay,
yabona.
okay. Yeah.
Leyo sekubuye ukuthi
That's- yeah,
uyendani
that's up
ngale
to- yeah.
knowledge yakhe FDG.
That's up to them. Yeah, 100%.
No, let's close it, my brother. Shout
With-
out to everyone who used to follow us.
Shout out to the
We're back.
subscribers.
We're back. Siyashisa sendiza man.
Shout out to the
Yeah.
subscribers. If you're a subscriber, shout out to you. If you haven't subscribed but you always watch, please click and subscribe.
Yeah.
Sazo Pusha Bafit, we are back again next week.
Yeah.
My brother Angfunti Tor.
Yeah, no,
Next
no,
week,
sorry.
same time.
Yes, yeah.
Right here.
Kahle, kahle.
I think we're gonna have something like a guest.
Yeah, please.
Something
Yeah,
like
we
a guest,
must,
yeah.
we must.
You
If we don't have a
understand?
guest, we do it again.
Yeah, no,
Guest,
even
no
if
guest.
even if
Yeah.
now if you wanna be part of the guest,
Come.
you're more than welcome.
Part of this thing, you're having a skill, whatsoever skill you're having, maybe you put in cutting and editing videos and something like that. You are a master on that. So come this way.
Nah.
Yeah, come this way.
Nah, shout out. My brother.
100.
It was nice.
It was.
It was
nice.
dope.
Yeah.
Next week we come back.
With more bombastic English words.
Hey dog,
Aye,
we need to fix this English
Yeah, we
things
need
now.
that.
Hey,
No,
this English things
the
now.
more we speak, the more we talk.
Practice makes perfect, eh?
100.
Yeah, no, we need to fix this English things
But
now.
it's better. It's better than.
No, but we can't
this
scare
whole
people.
episode.
No, but we can't scare people away and be like,
Ah,
hey,
we're not.
come and like,
Come.
hey, khuluma isiNgisi.
What ukukhuluma lilimi lakho.
Water.
Ayisayidlala mfana.